Okay, so in this tutorial we will adjust this layout a little bit. First we have to unroute all these lines and then we can place these components better. So now we have unrouted all connections. Then we can move this somewhere there, and I'm gonna drag this here. And then we can move these also here, and then we can select this is for here, and then we have to search for it. So these two capacitors has to be here close to this 0 pin, and then there is this which is for pin number 1, so we can move all these better. I think this is the correct way to place this component. So this is 45 degrees, and then we place all these capacitors like this, and from here we can press this to hide this text so it's easier to see. And then we balancing resistors. And for now we can select them all, and we can use this align tool. So it is this one. And for now we can save this. And then we can push the 3D model. So here is this new version of this BMS board.